Today I'm going to be doing 7.2, number 22, which is finding the area under two curves. So the curves are x equals y squared and x equals y plus 2. So the first thing we want to do is set y squared equal to y plus 2 so that we can find the limits of integration. So it'll be y squared equals y plus 2. So you bring the y and the 2 over, so it'll be y squared minus y minus 2 equals 0. And you can factor that out. It'll be y minus 2 and y plus 1. So you know it's when y equals 2 and negative 1. And in order to know if you do right, since this is in terms of y, you have to do right minus left. You will probably have to graph it. So I'll make a data table. Here's a graph, but I should make a data table. So this is for this graph, which is actually the same thing as y equals plus and minus the square root of x. And then this one is the same as y equals x minus 2. So this one has a point of 0, 0. So you graph that. And then 1, which is plus and minus 1. So it'll be there. And then another important point would probably be to do 4, since you can take the square root of that. And it would be plus and minus 2. So it'd be about up there and about up there. So it looks something like a sideways parabola. And then the next thing you do is just a simple line. So you could do, when you plug in 0, you're going to get negative 2. And if you plug in 4, you get 2. So 0, negative 2, and 4, 2. And you see it's a line that goes like that. Now, it's pretty clear. You can see now how y equals 2 and negative 1 are the places. Because right here, this is this is 1, negative 1, and this point here is 4, 2. So you see here's the y values right there. And if you look at this, it could be, you do right minus left, so you would do the line which is y plus 2 minus the sideways parabola. If you're unsure about which one's right and left, if you turn it, it's pretty clear that you can see that this is top minus bottom if you're going to do area, which is this area there. So now we can write, it'd be from negative 1 to 2, and you want to do the quantity because it's going to be y plus 2 minus y squared dy. So you need to take the antiderivative, or you need to integrate it. So first you just remember that it's going to be y squared over 2 because you have to divide by the new power. And once again, it's going to be 2y, and you divide by the new power, which is 1, so it's just 2y. And then you're going to do add a power, add 1 to the power, so it's going to be y cubed divided by the new power, which is going to, so it's going to be 1/3. And you're solving this from negative 1 to 2. So you need to leave enough space. I'm going to write it down here now. So it's going to be, so first we plug in 2, so it's going to be 1/2 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 2 cubed over 3 minus the whole entire quantity, 1/2 times negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 minus 1, minus 1/3 times negative 1 cubed. And if you were to simplify that a bit, it would be the same as saying 2 plus 4 minus 8/3 minus 1/2 minus 2 plus 1/3. And remember to distribute the negative there. So if you do all of that, you should get the answer of 9/2. And so, yes. All right. Thank you. Hopefully, you will be able to solve your next area under a curve. That's it for this time.